Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Sir Muhammad Abul Yunus. First of all, quickly recap the previous topics which already covered in previous lecture, and then move on. In previous lecture, we covered the definition of a set, how to represent them, what are the notation which used to represent them, and the types of a set. Okay, what is the basic operation which is used to operate the different types of set, such as union, intersection, complement, difference, symmetric difference. So inshallah all of these topics will cover in this lecture. Okay, so first of all we define them and then do some practice. So how to define a union of a set? Combining of all elements which are present in both set is known as a union of a set. But here a point you should remember that repetition is not allowed. Every element are different to each other. This is the complete definition of union of a set. Okay, next one, what is intersection? All the common elements which are present in both set is known as intersection of a set. Okay, so what is complement of a set? How to define it? Elements which are present in your universal set but not contained in set A. But here it is not necessary to represent a set by using the alphabet capital A. We can use any alphabet to represent a set. Okay, now do some examples for more understanding. We consider four sets: universal set, set A, set B, and set C. Set A, B and C are the subset of a universal set. So these are the questions which we solve in this lecture. A complement, B complement, A union C, B union C. So all these questions inshallah will cover in this lecture.
Number one is A complement. How to calculate it? First of all, we see the universal set and set A. And we already seen that the complement means all the elements which are present in universal set but not contained in A. So the elements in set A is 1 3 5 7. So we cut all the elements 1 3 5 7 from universal set, and all the remaining elements are the result of A complement. We solve. Okay, now we solve B complement. For B complement, we see the universal set and the set B. Set B contains 3 4 5 6 8 10. So all these elements are cut down from universal set, and the remaining element is is the answer of B complement. Okay, next one, A intersection B. So first of all, what is intersection? Intersection means all the common elements present in both sets. So we see the set A and set B. Set A contains 1 3 5 7, and set B contains 3 4 5 6 8 10. So we see the common elements, that is 3 and 5. This is the final answer of A intersection B. Okay, next one, A union B. So first of all, we define a union of a set. How to define it? The combining of all elements without any repetition is known as union of a set. In B, we write the elements of set A, that is 1 3 5 7, and set B 3 4 5 6 8 10. And then arrange them. So the final answer is 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then 10. This is the right answer. So this is the final answer of A union B. Okay, the remaining questions you should do by yourself.
Okay, it's all about today's lecture. उम्मीद है कि आपको ये लेक्चर समझ में आया होगा, और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपसे मुलाकात होती है. जब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.